Today we're gonna change this direct vented cylinder. We have the vent that's going back into the filling tank. Okay, so first thing what we need to do is set up the area. Brought up some tools. Let me just take down my backpack. Okay, isolate everything before we begin. Make sure there's no water spillages. The reason why we're changing this is because it's quite old. It has rusty marks on it. I came here for a leak that we found underneath the bath, but we can see these wet spots on the floor, and I was under the feeling that we probably have that from this tank as well. So I recommend the client to replace it, and he just went away with it. And yeah, let's change it up. We have the new one right here in this box. I'm gonna unbox it right now, see what's happening inside. The good thing about this flat is he's refurbishing it right now, and he's gonna have a new carpet, so that's a good thing for us. Basically the new one is the same setup as the old one, so we're gonna have it set up in the same way, and that's gonna help us a little bit better with the install. Right, and that is the cold water supply that feeds into the pump. Is our hot water right there. Okay. So I stopped the water going into the tank from the main valve because this is not holding anymore apparently. So hopefully we're gonna change that one as well. Nice and straight. This is the hot water outlet. So in the end, we had to take the door off. I had to cut the overflow pipe so I can shift the rig a little bit on that side, and we managed to get it in. So this is how we have the new setup. From here, The water will go into the pump. New valve, new connections. It's gonna be on that side. The immersion heaters, I'm gonna leave them open for now because I'm gonna start filling up and then I'm gonna test them and see that everything is okay. All right, let's test it out. Everything was tested and inspected for leaks. I covered up the immersion heaters as well and everything was fine. If you like videos like this, make sure to like them and subscribe. That helps the channel and it's also free. Until next time, any questions, leave them in comment section below. Thank you.